Hey guys, welcome back to the Daya Daily. So today I did a Halloween look. Guys, Halloween is my favorite holiday. So you better believe that I'm gonna start doing Halloween looks pretty much like 2 months because it's on the 31st and I'm gonna be doing an easy skull like makeup, but it's gonna be not like a black dark silk skull. Yeah, so like let's just get started. And I have softball practice after this, so let's hope this comes off my face because if it doesn't, I'm going as a skull for batting practice. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with a smaller brush. I don't know if you can do it very well. And I have just some white face paint. We're gonna start by drawing a smile first. So we're kind of referencing it off of this baby. You cannot see that. Kind of. Let's go, mama. So we just did that. Now I'm gonna just like dip. Now we're just gonna like color my lips, kind of just like. Okay. Okay, so this is how it's looking. We're just gonna start by adding these lines all the way across. Next, I'm just going to round out the edges on this real quickly. I think it's looking cool. So now we're just gonna add the color. So we're gonna go, I'm using the James Charles palette because he has beautiful colors in here. We're gonna take this fluffy brush. I think I'm gonna go this. Okay, we're just gonna go off this picture kind of colors. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna start with a dark green on here. So the reason why we did white was because it makes the color show, I mean, obviously. Next, we're gonna do the dark blue. And we do purple. Okay, so this is kind of working. I feel like this looks whack. I'm gonna go back over with this white real fast. Well, here's what it looks like. Next thing is the nose. We're just gonna there's the nose. And we'll start with green at the top and work our way down. And what I'm just gonna do is outline it. Okay, next is orange. And then last is yellow. Next is pink.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so there's the nose. I'm thinking we should do just a bit of my shadow. First start with green on the outside. I'm doing a lighter green.
Many minutes later.
I don't know how long it was like that, but we're here now. Now I'm going to blend these colors together. That's how it looks. I don't know how well I like that. I'm gonna do the other side.
A few minutes later.
Okay, I just finished. Alright, so this is it. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this look. I really liked it. I thought it was like colorful and it was fun. And super quick and easy. So if you're looking for a quick, easy like makeup look, I recommend this one because It was super easy. Let me know in the comments down below what other Halloween makeup looks you want me to do for the next 2 months. 10 out of 10 recommend. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Oh, look at the baby. It's the baby Archie.